Dear colleagues and friends, I'm Kyoung Tae, Director of Asia-Pacific Society of Thyroid Surgery. On behalf of the APTS, I would like to extend my sincere congratulations to Professor Salih for organizing the second Middle East Thyroid Summit. APTS is pleased, endorse, and fully support this outstanding scientific meeting. The second Middle East Thyroid Summit aims to advance the care of patients with thyroid disease throughout the Middle East. The program features a wide range of lectures by distinguished international faculty, as well as live surgical demonstration and hands-on workshop. Throughout this meeting, I hope we will strengthen our collaboration, exchange scientific knowledge and clinical experience, and further deepen our friendship. I look forward to seeing you all at the second Middle East Thyroid Summit. Thank you.